Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about none other than Kaspa itself. Looking across the market, you're seeing the green that, we did start off on Monday pretty much holding as of now, and especially as we are going into Tuesday morning, as far as that is concerned, looking good so far. But in a grand scheme of things, the price of Bitcoin is still below 60K, so we need to keep that factor in mind. But we'll definitely take a green day, and this momentum that's so far holding as of now. It was a long weekend, Labor Day weekend here in North America, depending where you are. So I hope you guys had a very, very good long weekend. To the people here in North America and the people that are not here in North America, I hope you guys had a great weekend. But taking a look at Kaspa, it's actually up 0.7% right now on the daily time frame. One thing I want you guys to understand, if you are a Kaspa holder, is this. A lot of people tend to forget this, but if you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, you're noticing a majority of the coins across the board are actually down about 10 to 15%. But if you're looking at Kaspa, it's only down about 4.6% right now. So it's holding much better than the broader market. And these are things that I don't ignore. You guys know this. When I do technical analysis, I do not forget about this. And I do mention that some people, of course, want a continuation towards the upside and continue to forget that these are some facts that you don't want to be ignoring, and that's just a reality. We're down about 4.6% on the weekly time frame, while the broader market is actually seeing 10 to 15% drop. But looking at the price right now, going into Tuesday morning, 16.5 cents, up 0.7% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. If you focus on the Bitcoin comparative side, we're down about 1.6%. Market cap is just shy to $4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 28 million. So before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at the dominance index, guys. As we are going into Tuesday morning, you're looking at the dominance index pretty much ranging at this 57.5%. I've mentioned this to you guys before in some of these other updates. Significant amount of resistance around this range. Hence, you're finding in the dominance actually having a little bit of a hard time breaking past this key resistance into a new yearly high. We actually have, you could pretty much say, a triple retest at the 57.7%, and obviously it's having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this range. But I do believe that there is a strong chance, despite Bitcoin actually heading towards all-time highs, I still do believe that the dominance index could actually make its way back above to a new yearly high. So now that we have that out of the way, let's take a look at how Bitcoin is reacting. And again, this right here is a weekly time frame, so let's kind of shift the chart to the daily time frame for Bitcoin. Let me zoom in for you guys. So of course, Bitcoin pretty much has been able to hold within the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level right now. We actually did wick all the way up to almost $60,000, but as of now, obviously that itself was a rejection. Never actually managed to cross back above this key resistance for good, but that is the level where you want to see the price of Bitcoin sitting above the psychological key resistance. And again, more and more people are going to start having the conversation regarding the FOMC meeting, which takes place in about 2 weeks' time from obviously today. And a lot of people are going to be having that conversation, and of course that is a very, very important, because if there is an announcement regarding interest rates cut, then I do expect crypto is going to start heading towards the upside as we go into, of course, quarter 4 of this year. But obviously we'll take this move right now, but in a grand scheme of things, you still want to see the price of Bitcoin sitting above the 60K, and most importantly for me specifically on this channel, as you guys know, the confirmation level is around $64,000 for me to get bullish on the broader market. Now that we have that out of the way, let's take a look at what we're noticing with CAS right now. So pretty much Kaspa, you can see sideways momentum in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So pretty much we're coming across a month. So pretty much on August 4th, this will be a month of consolidation below this key resistance. Of course, some people are going to come out and say the 24th of August was, this wick towards the upside into the 0.50, but I don't really take the wicks above unless there is close above these key resistance. So of course, right here, we did not see that close, so I don't count this as is. So pretty much almost a month of consolidation below this key resistance. And what a lot of people don't understand is this is not even a big move. This is not even a big move for us to get past. It's only about a 7.63% move for the price of Kaspa to actually get back above this key resistance. But you could really see the battle between the bulls and the bears is between this key resistance. So of course, the bulls want the price to break towards the upside into the 0.50, start heading towards new all-time highs. Meanwhile, bears want to keep the price below it. And as of now, bears do have control. And of course, if you look at it from the Bitcoin dominance perspective, as well as the volatility we have been seeing pretty much since July, I would say, you are obviously seeing a lot of manipulation, and due to the volatility having an impact on altcoins, and Kaspa is also one of them. But in terms of overall retail interest, it's still not there as to what we have seen in the past. So of course, you do need a little bit of more volume for the price to actually break out of this key resistance, and as of now that's not the case. But one thing that I can point out, which I have pointed out to you guys in the other updates, is the longer the consolidation within this range, the strength of the support just gets stronger. So far so good, but of course the target remains the same at the 17.3 cents. Very important for the price of Kaspa to be back above that, but we're going to take it one step at a time, pay very close attention to BTC. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.